Hello guys, this is another video session by Swati from EME Technologies. In this video session we will see about how you can set a home page in Mozilla Firefox. So let's see how we can do that. For that, open your Mozilla Firefox browser and then click on more options here, that is open menu. Now click on options. Yeah, so in this page move to home tab. Yes, here under the home section you will see option that is home page and new windows. So here we can set whatever home page we want. If we want our default Firefox page as our home page, so we will select Firefox home. If we want to set some other page as our home page, so we will click on custom URL. So let's see, I want to select some other web page as my home page, so I'll click on custom URL. Yeah, I'll write suppose google.com. Yeah, that's it. We are done with the setting of a home page and in Mozilla Firefox. So let's see how it works. Suppose I open this web page. Now I am going to say this home button on the left side of my address bar, and I want to move to my home page now. So I'll just click on this home button, and we are successfully taken to the home page that we have entered last time, that is google.com. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos, subscribe to our channel, that is EME Technologies. Thank you.